This is Ben with Shirk Photography. Welcome to my Diamond Night Game horizontal template. I want to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. This template features different chain links that you can turn on and off. So it has this background chain link fence here. I can shut that off. I can also go without a chain link at all, or I can turn on this foreground chain link that adds a rugged torn fence opening that makes it look like your team was photographed through a gritty ballpark fence. I can easily change any colors in this template using the color sliders. So for example, if I wanted the background red, I could easily change it to a variety of different colors. If you like, you can even shut off the background and the texture and have a more traditional night scene. This template features fully customizable banner options, perfect for showcasing seniors, captains, or your starting lineup. Easily add, remove, or adjust banners to fit your team perfectly. And then just slide them into the scene, something like that. Or if you needed more, you could easily make them smaller and add more banners. You don't have to use the banners at all. You can shut that off and then turn on the optional motto that's included in the layers. And of course, you can easily change that to match any motto your team wants. This template allows you to easily insert and hide their feet, so you don't have to worry about drawing shadows. Otherwise, you can also remove that bottom glow and show their feet. It's up to you. You can easily add lots more players if you want to. For example, if I wanted to add another row of subjects, here's a sample of a bunch of guys behind here that could easily create another row. Or, for example, you could add another row of subjects kneeling in front. So you can fit quite a few people in this template. And this also prints up to 10-foot banners or 4x6s, 5x7s, and 8x10s just as easily. As with all my templates, there's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll walk you through the details of modifying all the layers and making this look awesome for your team. I really hope you love this template.